How to add BMW G-Series BDC3 key using KEYDIY-MAX and BDC03 clip step by step. Hey everyone, this is Hussain, and I welcome you to Baabji Motors, your trusted destination for everything related to automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and the behind-the-scenes secrets that technicians use every single day. Today, we are diving into something really fascinating. A process that blends advanced technology with hands-on precision. We're going to explore how you can add a BMW G-Series BDC3 key using the KEYDIY KD-MAX along with a special BDC03 dismantling-free clip. Imagine unlocking a luxury BMW system without even opening the key housing. Sounds interesting, right? Before we start, here's a short but important reminder. This entire video is made purely for educational and informational purposes. Everything you're about to see is designed to help technicians, learners, and curious car lovers understand the process better. We follow fair use guidelines throughout the video. Any images, clips, or references belong to their respective owners, and you should always make sure you follow your local laws, as well as the manufacturer's instructions when working on any kind of vehicle. Now let me ask you something fun to kick things off. If you had the power to redesign one feature on luxury car keys, what would you change first? Is it the size, the feel, the design, or maybe you want keys that crack jokes when you unlock the door? Think about it. Share your imagination and stay with me until the end, because I have something unique that will definitely spark your curiosity. Let's dive right into today's content. When it comes to adding a BMW G-Series BDC3 key using the KEYDIY KD-MAX, the process may sound intimidating at first. But once you understand how the tools work together, it becomes surprisingly smooth. We begin with the tools required for this setup. You will need the KEYDIY-MAX key programmer, the KEYDIY BDC3 specific dismantling-free clip, the cable series cable that connects the BDC3 clip to the KEYDIY-MAX, and finally a brand new FGB key, specifically the KEYDIY KD FGB57 model. Each one of these tools plays a unique role, and the process works only when everything is correctly connected. Let's start with the first step, preparing the BDC3 clip. You begin by picking up the KEYDIY BDC03 clip, which is built to work specifically with BMW's BDC3 system. On this clip, you'll find 4 switches, and you must turn all 4 of them on. If you have ever wondered why technicians look so serious when flipping tiny switches, now you know. They're doing it with the precision of a surgeon holding a cup of hot tea. After turning the switches on, pay close attention to the wire definitions. Each wire color corresponds to a specific pin on the clip. The 01 pin connects to the orange wire, the ground connects to the black wire, the power supply, or VCC, connects to the red wire, and a 03 pin connects to the brown wire. These mappings ensure the clip communicates correctly with the key's internal circuit. Once the clip is ready, you move on to the second step, connecting the hardware. This is where the dismantling-free magic begins. You securely attach the clip onto the back cover of the original BMW key. This is one of the biggest advantages. You don't need to open or dismantle the key, which saves time and removes risk. After attaching the clip, connect the cable series cable between the BDC3 clip and your KEYDIY-MAX programmer. Good connection equals good communication, so ensure everything is seated neatly. Next comes the third step, initiating the cloning process using the KEYDIY-MAX. After powering up the KEYDIY-MAX, you navigate through its menu. First head to Remote Function, then Smart Key Clone. Then select BMW BDC3/BCP Smart Key Clone, and finally choose the option for G-Chassis/BDC3 Clone. The device will show prompts along the way. Simply confirm each one by pressing OK. This sequence tells the KEYDIY-MAX that you're working specifically on a BMW G-Series with the BDC3 system. Fourth step, reading the data from the original key. The KEYDIY-MAX will now instruct you to read the chip data. You tap the Read Chip Data option and follow the prompts exactly as shown on the screen. Once the device finishes capturing the data, make sure you save the file. Saving is crucial because this data becomes the blueprint for programming the new key. Always think of it like saving an important document. You wouldn't want to write a school essay and forget to hit save, right? Now comes the fifth step, programming the new FGB key. Take your brand new FGB 57 key and place it in the KEYDIY induction area. This area is where the device detects the key electronically. Then select the KEYDIY FGB type and choose the KEYDIY FGB remote option. This tells the programmer the exact style and configuration of the key you want to generate. Once all this is done, we move to the final step, completing the key. After the programming process finishes, the KEYDIY will show a confirmation message that the key has been successfully cloned or generated. At this point, you can install the newly programmed PCB board inside the key shell, close everything up, and the key is officially ready for normal use. It's almost magical watching a blank key turn into a fully functional BMW remote without even opening the original key during the process. And yes, the car will accept it just like it accepts the original factory key. Earlier, I asked you a fun question about redesigning luxury car keys. My answer? I would love a key that glows in the dark and makes a soft chime when I misplace it. Imagine your key politely saying, "Hey, I'm over here on the sofa. Stop searching the refrigerator." In my personal opinion, the BDC03 dismantling-free clip is one of the biggest conveniences introduced for BMW key work. It saves time, avoids risk, and keeps everything neat and efficient. I'd love to know your thoughts too. What feature would you add to your dream car key? Drop your answer in the comments. Before we close, here's a fun fact. Did you know that modern BMW keys contain more computing power than some early home computers? It's amazing how much technology fits into something small enough to lose in your pocket. If this detailed guide helped you, then I would love your support. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments to push this video higher in the algorithm. Share your thoughts, hype the video, and make sure you subscribe to Baabji Motors so you never miss another advanced diagnostic tutorial. Your support truly helps this channel grow and continue bringing you expert-level insights. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.